Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, GTR Math Tutorial, and Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So for today's video, we will discuss number 340 of 1001 solved problems in engineering mathematics. So this is about area of a square inscribed in a semicircle. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So find the difference of the area of the square inscribed in a semicircle having a radius of 15 meters. The base of the square lies on the diameter of the semicircle. Okay, so here are the choices. So let's answer the problem. So let's draw the figure first. So we have find the difference of the area of the square. Square inscribed in a semicircle having a radius of 15 meters. And the base of the square lies on the diameter of the semicircle. So this will be the figure for the problem. So the base of the square lies on the diameter of the semicircle. Okay? So the radius given, the radius of the circle is 15 meters. So therefore, from the center up to this, so we have 15. And then we let x be the side of the square. So therefore, side here is x. So that means the side of this is x over 2 because this is the center of the circle. So we divide this x by 2. Okay, so we can now get we now have a right triangle here, and then we have given radius is 15, so the hypotenuse is 15, and then the legs of the right triangle are x and x over 2. So we want to find the difference, find the difference of the area of the square inscribed in a semicircle. So let A sub 1 be the area of the semicircle, and then let A sub 2 be the area of the square, and then let A be the difference. Okay, so the difference between the area. We want to find the difference, find the difference of the area of the square inscribed in a semicircle. So the formula is equal to A is equal to area of the semicircle, A sub 1 minus area of the square, A sub 2. Okay? So to solve that, we need to find the value of this x. So we will use the Pythagorean theorem. So we use the Pythagorean theorem. The hypotenuse is 15. So we have 15 squared. That is equal to the sum of the square of the two legs. So we have x and x over 2. Okay, so therefore, from Pythagorean theorem, we have x over 2 squared plus the other leg. So we have x squared equals the square of the hypotenuse. So we have 15 squared. So now we can now solve the value of x. Okay, so I squared this. So we have x squared over 2 squared. So we have 4 plus we have x squared is equal to 15 squared. That is equal to 225. And then solving for x, we have multiply both sides by 4. So multiply both sides by 4. We will get, and then distribute this. We have x squared plus 4x squared is equal to 225 times 4. So that is equal to 900. And then we have x squared plus 4x squared. We have 5x squared equals 900. Divide both sides by 5. So therefore, we have 900 divided by 5. That is equal to 180. So we have x squared is equal to 180. Now, get the square root of both sides. We will only use the positive value. So therefore, x is equal to square root of 180. That is equal to 13.4164. Okay? And now we can substitute this. Since we now have the value of x, just substitute to the formula of area of the circle and then area of the square. Okay, so we have the difference now. A is equal to area of the semicircle. We have pi r squared divided by 2 since it's only a semicircle. So pi r squared divided by 2 minus x squared. So x is the side of the square. Okay? So just substitute all the given. So we have pi. The value of r is 15. So we have 15 squared divided by 2 minus the value of x squared. So x squared, so that is equal to 180. If we square this 13.4164, it will go back to x squared. So actually, there's no need to solve for the x. So because we only want the x squared. So x squared is equal to 180. So just subtract this to 180. So therefore, the value of the a now is equal to, so just let's use our calculator. So we have pi times 15 squared. So we have pi times 15 squared. That is equal to 706.8583. And then we divide by 2. So divided by 2, that is equal to 353. Subtract 180. So minus 180. That is equal to 173.429. And then we can round it off. Round off 2 decimal or 1 decimal. So the closest answer is 0.4. So 173.5. So that is letter C. This is due to rounding error siguro. Okay? So therefore, the correct answer is letter C, 173.5 centimeter square. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. So see you on my next video about engineering mathematics. So if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang video. Bye-bye!